Com.
Morning, everyone. We are participating in Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025 from Sarvodaya National Public School, Bangalore. I am Sudan Vaes.
I'm Dir.
I'm Dial. I'm Akshay.
I'm Nitin.
So our team ID is SIM473041 and our team name is 83 Team 1. So our topic is digital democracy platform under Atmanirbhar Bharat. So what are the common problems faced by absence of digital democracy platforms? Low voter participation, lack of engagement, inefficient feedback, human error and fraud, marginalized groups excluded, lack of transparency, time and cost inefficiency.
Advantages of digital democracy platform. Increased participation, real-time management, transparency, cost and time efficiency, security, inclusivity, data-driven policy, environmental impact.
So how to prevent cyber attacks from this platform? Strong authentication like biometrics, Aadhaar number, voter ID, and email ID. Only one-time voting policy, secure backend policy, vote confirmation and audit trails, real-time monitoring AI by ethical hackers, device and app security, education and awareness.
Components. No components needed as we are using coding and help of AI. Our digital democracy platform is via app or on website.
So how to use this platform? There are 11 steps by which we can use this platform. Step 1. Identify proper logo and enter CAPTCHA code. Step 2. Enter your phone number. Step 3. Verification of OTP. Step 4. Enter your Aadhaar number. Step 5. Put your biometrics such as face, thumb impression and iPhone. Step 6. Enter voter ID. Step 7. Camera will open. Scan whole logo. If no one is present, voting options will open. Step 8. Select desired candidate and party. Step 9. Only one candidate can be opted at a time. Step 10. Press submit option. Step 11. Message appears voting is successful. Note. Portal cannot be opened after election has been done. Only one time entry. Security option added in platforms. PLS certificate, web app firewall, SQL injection protection, XSS protection, input validation, file upload security, IndieOS protection, HTTPS. Our website's name is VoteSure India, India's most secure digital democracy platform. We have a multi-layer security architecture. Your vote is protected by cutting-edge security technology, biometric verification, fingerprint, face and retina scanning for foolproof identity and verification, end-to-end encryption. Military-grade encryption protects your vote from submission to storage. Live monitoring. Camera verification ensures no unauthorized persons are present. One-time voting. Once voted, the system locks permanently to prevent fraud. Comprehensive verification process. Multi-layer security checks at every stage. Step 1. CAPTCHA verification. Step 2. Personal details validation. Step 3. Phone and OTP authentication. 4. Aadhaar number verification is for advanced biometric scanning to face and thumb. Option 6. Voter ID cross evidence. Step 7. Secure candidate selection. Step 8. Encrypted vote solution. So you have to begin secure voting process. Okay, so complete all verification steps to cast your vote. So enter CAPTCHA. So press continue. So personal details. Complete all verification steps to cast the secure vote. Full name. Enter your full name. Phone number. Complete all verification steps to cast your secure vote. Phone number. Enter your 10-digit phone number. OTP verification. Complete all verification steps to cast your secure vote. Enter OTP. Enter the 6-digit OTP sent to your phone. Any number accept. So they receive the OTP and will type it into. So continue. Aadhaar verification. Complete all verification steps to cast your secure vote. Aadhaar number. Enter your 12-digit Aadhaar number. Biometric scanning. Complete all verification steps to cast your secure vote. Please look at the camera for facial recognition and place your thumb on the scanner. So the face is verified and the thumb is verified. Voter ID verification. Complete all verification steps to cast a secure vote. Voter ID number. Enter voter ID. So voter ID is important for voting, hence you should put the voter ID. So we are going to select the candidate. Complete all verification steps to cast your secure vote. Select your candidate to cast your vote.